I think that's all I need to do, folks. Um, just playing with different things. I mean, you can also add texture. I mean, if you want, I got a little texture in here, but I could put a pattern in the background. I don't particularly want to clutter it up too much. I've done enough that I feel comfortable with. Again, it's something I could put aside and maybe come back to later, decide if I want to add something. But for the most part, I think I've made a statement that I want that's, an abstraction of the artifacts that I used here. And so I would encourage you to try that, just to see where this can take you. Each painting you do tends to push you further down the line in terms of stepping out further and further. This is still what I would call fairly representational. It's a fairly accurate drawing of the particular artifacts, but you can get to a place where you're really abstracting those almost in a cubist fashion or something. So it's really worth your energy and effort to try something like this. It's just a kind of a kick in the pants, and it allows you to explore and see where you want to go, and in the process you kind of discover yourself. You discover things about you didn't know were in there. So give it a shot. Give it a shot. Hopefully this gives you a bit of a jumping off point as to how to perhaps approach that. But some of you would probably have your own ideas already as to how to approach an abstraction. And you can break up the background. Right now I have a pretty solid orange background, but I might in another painting break this up into smaller shapes. I can add shapes, take shapes away. So there's lots of an infinite number of possibilities that you could do with this. And so I really encourage you to try it. It's really a fun exploration.